In today's Granada Houses video, we're here in a small, quiet town with all amenities to show you this detached house. It sits on a 400 square metre plot and has been done in such a way that you can separate the two sections. So we'll have a look round outside first. So with the entrance, you have a pretty little bit of garden with your own olive tree. There is a swimming pool. We'll just head round the back now so that you can take a look. There's a few steps here on the outside. This plot that you can see behind with the cypress trees, that doesn't belong to this house, but it is available for sale if you wanted to expand the garden. So here we have central heating in the house. There's a couple of rooms with air conditioning as well. So there's separate quiet and private spots. You can see there's room for a couple of cars. And as we're only 10 minutes from Granada City, this is an absolute perfect place to base yourself for holidays or permanent living. Got a nice shaded area out the front here. I'm going to show you the upstairs section first, and then we'll go into the downstairs section, which is through that door too. So let's go upstairs and have a look at the larger of the two living areas. So at the top of the stairs here, we've got a nice little terrace. Good place to have coffee in the morning. And then the door leads to a good sized entrance hall. And our rooms are off this entrance hall. So to the left here, we have the kitchen. Fully fitted, as you can see, lots of light. It's a good size. And then through the double doors here on the right is a very large sitting room, dining room with wood burning stove. And then a couple of little alcove rooms off the side here. You can see this one's currently being used as a gym. I think this would make a really nice office or reading room or somewhere for the kids to go and play. And then there's another room here, just behind this curtain. So there's lots of options in this space for you to make different use of it. Hello. The stairs here go down into the underground section, into the basement section. So you can see lots of nice light. This is the first of the bedrooms. It's a decent size, it's nice and light too, it's got good windows. And then we come through to the family bathroom. Fully tiled, has everything in it that you need. It's got a really good quality shower. And then we have another large bedroom, and at the end here is a big room. Has wardrobes, really good size. And then from here we'll go down using the inner stairs and have a look at the lower level. Okay, so as we go down the stairs now to the lower level, you can see there's a door here, so this section can be completely cut off from the upper level if you would like to rent one of the sections out. That's the doorway through from the outside, from the courtyard. And as you can see, it's also a garage door. So if you wanted to completely change the use down here, that's possible. Let's start with the kitchen, dining room, sitting room. As you can see, it's a nice open plan space, wood burning stove. I think this would make a really nice rental. Or if you had family and friends over, then they could have their own private space. Just through here, there's a door that takes you to the outer terrace. And we also have, it's a bit dark, I'm afraid. Let's see if I can find the light. This is also another storeroom, but it's where the oil for the central heating is. So you have the oil tank is down here. There are 2 bedrooms. Here you have the first of the bedrooms. I'm going to show you the laundry room before we go over to the other bedroom. Here's a laundry room. This actually would make a sensible place to put in a second bathroom, because your other bathroom is off this bedroom. So you have an ensuite room here, which is great, but you would need, I think, to put in a second bathroom down here to make full use of both of the bedrooms. And it's a nice size shower room, again fully tiled with shower cubicle. And then there's a large storeroom. So there's plenty of storage here, which is sometimes unusual in Spanish built houses. And there's lots of opportunities, lots of possibilities with this house to do something very nice. But the real bonus here is the proximity to Granada city. That's always going to be a wonderful thing to have. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button to be informed of all of our upcoming videos. Please leave comments in the section below, and also if you'd like to book a viewing, do that using the section below or give us a call. We look forward to welcoming you to look at this house and possibly your new home in the province of Granada. Thank you for watching.